Hey everybody, I'm making you this video really quickly just to help you get started using VHL. I've given you instructions, as you can see here, on how to create an account. If you have used VHL in the past at Oxbridge, you should try to use that account name and password. If you've used it at another school, you need to create a brand new account for Oxbridge. So you have these instructions already. Now, the next thing I want to show you is once you are in, you are going to go to Dashboard. You're going to click on Dashboard, and that shows you all the assignments that you have to do. You have the upcoming due dates here, and you have previous due dates over here. And you're going to click on Start to start doing your work. So actually, let me show you something. Oftentimes you have choices about how you want to learn. This one says click and explore at your own speed. This one has you watch a presentation in order. If you're brand new to VHL, I recommend you do the presentation in order. But let's just say we did click and explore at your own speed. So now we are in the assignment, and what they're having you do is you can click here, and then you can listen to those people's dialogues. You should turn the audio on. It's very important to be listening to it and to be repeating after the person. So if you have a sibling at home who's going to make fun of you when you're speaking French, you might want to go find a place you can go where no one will be listening, where you feel comfortable. Because it's very important, especially right now in the beginning, that you be able to pronounce things well in French. The best way to memorize, the best way to pronounce well is to listen and repeat. So you should have the audio on. And let's see what happens. What happens if I click English? Oh, good. So you can see translations. So say you've done this, right? And it says that there's 2 remaining sections. Say I click on this finished section. Oh, it doesn't want me to. It wants me to do the 2 remaining things. But I'm going to click out of it right now. And this is something you should be able to see. If you go to assignment list, you click right here, something pops up over on the left, and you can see your progress in the assignments that are assigned. If this is not checked off, it means you have not finished it. Even if you think you've finished it, there's something that you haven't done. And if you haven't finished it, that's what I see on the dashboard, and that's why you're not getting a 10 out of 10 or a 5 out of 5 for completing your work. So you are responsible for making sure you look at that assignment list and making sure you've done everything. Often you can look at something and go, I'm in no mood to do this right now, so I'm just going to skip ahead to a different thing. And so look, I can just choose what I'm going to be looking at any given time. What happens? Okay, so, oh, and look at this. Apparently I already have finished this one called Ça va, but you can see the ones that I have not finished. Okay, that's everything I have to tell you. Thank you.